Question number 1. Who is the current Chief Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option D. Siddaramaiah. Question number 2. Who is the current Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option B. D.K. Shivkumar. Question number 3. Who is the current Law Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A. H.K. Patil. Question number 4. Who is the current Home Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C. G. Parameswara. Question number 5. Who is the current Energy Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C. K.J. George. Question number 6. Who is the current Finance Minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is option B. Siddaramaiah. Question number 7. Who is the current Health Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A. Dinesh Gundu Rao. Question number 8. Who is the current Agriculture Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C. N. Chaluvaraya Swamy. Question number 9. Who is the current Transport Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option B. Ramalinga Reddy. Question number 10. Who is the current Revenue Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C. Krishna Veera Gowda. Question number 11. Who is the current Exercise Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option D. R.B. Timapur. Question number 12. Who is the current School Education Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option B. Madhu Bangarappa. Question number 13. Who is the current Higher Education Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option D. M.C. Sudhakar. Question number 14. Who is the current Medical Education Minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is option B. Saran Prakash Patil. Question number 15. Who is the current Labour Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A. Santosh Lad. Question number 16. Who is the current Textiles Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C. Sivanand Patil. Question number 17. Who is the current Forest and Environment Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A. Ishwara Khandre. Question number 18. Who is the current Mines and Geology Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option D. S.S. Mallikarjun. Question number 19. Who is the current Women and Child Development Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option B. Lakshmi Hewalkar. Question number 20. Who is the current Urban Development Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option D, Bhairathi Suresh. Question number 21. Who is the current Rural Development Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A, Priyank Kharge. Question number 22. Who is the current Food and Civil Supplies Minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is option C, K.H. Muniappa. Question number 23. Who is the current Industries and Infrastructure Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option A, M.B. Patil. Question number 24. Who is the current Public Works Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option C, Satish Jarkiholi. Question number 25. Who is the current Social Welfare Minister of Karnataka? Right answer is option B, H.C. Mahadevappa. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Education World.